Hello everyone, my name is Cesar from Wirestream, and today I have three products that I'm going to be unboxing today. One is the Gate Access Starter Kit, which comes with the directory itself, plus the hub. And I also got here the G4 PTZ. These two cameras right here are very powerful when it comes to being able to zoom in and out. The first one we're going to unbox is this particular one over here. I'm going to do them in two separate videos. So if you like this one, then you can jump onto the watching this other video right here. They're both really cool items, especially when it comes for an apartment complex or even a home. This particular project will be deployed on a community. So this is going to be pretty cool on the facial recognition, on letting vehicles in with the LPR. So let's go ahead and get started. Open this one up, and so that way I can show you guys what comes in the box. All right, so now that I have the PTCs out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this unit right here. It's always pretty cool. I mean, just getting to open up a new device is always like really cool. This is something that I really enjoy about the work that I do. Especially because I do get to test out new equipment every so often. All right, the Ubiquiti package, as I mentioned before, always comes well wrapped. Here we have the hub, and here's the directory. Let me show you what's behind here, which we're gonna find the power and a power supply. This, I believe it's a PoE++. So this can be powered via PoE++, and then this can then feed up to the directory itself. This can also power up, I believe, three other devices, such as a camera, or just or three more cameras plus the directory itself. So depending on your setup, for us, we're going to be powering this via a switch. So we're going to have the switch, then the hub being powered by this, and then the directory itself. Depending also on your setup, some of the devices may have to go through the hub in order to make that connection. I found that out with the I believe the doorbell, the G3, if I recall correctly, and that needed to be paired with, I believe it was the monitor. Otherwise, it would just not, they would not be able to talk to each other. All right, let me show you what's behind the directory here. And usually they come with the bracket. Aside from the bracket, I like to keep this as clean as possible. There we go. So here's the bracket that we're going to use for the wall. That's what you get. So generally you would not be able to put this flush onto the wall, so you're going to have some sort of screw in the wall that this is going to go on like this. So make sure that you do account for the Ethernet coming through the back. And also, as we found out on one of the installations, you want to make sure that the wall is flush. Otherwise, this whole thing will be exposed on the back. So one of the scenarios that we had is where it had two posts on the side, and this kind of sat in the middle. So we had to get a special bracket to close the back, so this thing will not get any water in the back. So this is the bracket itself. And let me see what else we have here. So this is our hub right here. Again, we're going to have our power, and then we're going to have 4 ports to connect the directory plus other devices. Again, this can be plugged in with the PoE++. It'll power everything out of this device right here. Now, here are 2 more things that I really like, which are the 2 devices. You have the capability to send internet via a 2-wire setup. You connect 2 wires on each side right here, and then you can receive internet on the other end. It does have its limitation, but generally speaking, for connecting a setup like this, it works perfectly fine. You also get a DIN rail that you can push onto the wall. This will allow you to mount the unit onto the wall like this by pushing it through the back. So once we get on site, I am hoping to get more and more video on this, on how we deploy it, how we ended up mounting it. This particular unit is going to be mounted on a temporary wall, just on a temporary wall. But eventually we're going to come back and remove some of the brick wall that's there, and well, not us, but the construction company will be putting a rock surrounding this unit. So we're going to get them a unit where this is going to be flush mount onto this monument, and it's gonna look pretty cool. If you want to see more of the unit, this is what it looks like. We have our camera, we have our keypad, we have our 1-button push, supports NFC. From here on, basically, you're gonna get the directory if it's going into an apartment type complex, and it has the camera, which the camera will also serve as it can be added on to protect, but also the camera itself will detect who you are and then can allow you in. In addition, if you have a watch or phone, it could also allow you in using this unit. All right, well, hopefully you like it. If you have any questions about the deployments of this device, again, we can use this on a residential home that has a gate. We can also use it at MDU, office, just almost anywhere. It also has the capability to add a monitor. So if this is for an apartment complex or an office environment or even a home, we can extend this with a monitor. All right, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned for the PTC video that I'm gonna be doing probably today or tomorrow. All right, thank you.